All right, getting ready to restore these headlights. Let me show you how they look before I sand them down. So you can see that one is yellow. And that one as well. All right. All right, so now we're gonna get ready to sand it. To sand it, this is what I got. You can get this from your kitchen, just make sure it's new. And then we got 600 sandpaper. Okay, so I'm gonna just fold it. And I'm gonna get a bottle of water, just regular water. You can go side to side or up and down, it doesn't really matter. You just want to get rid of all the yellow stuff. All right, so when you see the light is looking plain plastic, not yellow anymore, then you can stop. Now I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna just use this to dry it.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber music. Carbon fiber.
A microfiber towel, you want to use a microfiber so it doesn't leave any big scratches in it.
If you have air, you can blow it with the air compressor. I think would be good. You just keep the water to keep the dust down. That should be good. Let's go to the next one. Now I just grab my paint. Remember, they have 2K clear. The 2K clear, once you mix it down here, you can't reuse it. So this one you can reuse it. I mean, anytime you want to use it, you can just reuse it. So this is 1K clear. It's just gonna take longer to dry. That's about it. But this one has a UV protection somewhere. No time to read now, but this is the best. I've done it before, and the lights are brand new. I'm gonna grab another towel, dry, completely dry. so I can go over. Okay. Now make sure you shake this like for 1 minute. I already shake it, so I'm ready to paint. Make sure you try it outside before you go straight here. Okay. So now that's good. Now we wait. We can wait about 10 minutes. To speed the process, I'm gonna put a fan to blow on it. All right, 10 minutes went by. Now we're gonna do the second coat. So I'm actually only gonna do 2 coats on this since I'm doing it twice. All right, so here goes the second coat and final. So I'm gonna do this one up and down first. Done.
Oh, look at that.
Done. Now we just wait, let it dry, and I'll show you the finished product. No, ya está seco ya, no se pegue. Ahí está todo.
Después de una semana pegarle una buffer.
Oh, sí. There you have it. Now, if you want this to be actually
Lot shiner.
better than what it is, you can buff it. It's still not dry 100%. It's gonna get clear. It's gonna look better when it dry completely. So I'm gonna take it out in the sun, but you can see that. Look at the difference.
Like brand new.
Yeah. All right, that's how it look finished. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, like always, please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.